One person played a prank and secretly cut the headphone cable of the person who was gaming. The gamer took off his headphones, looking confused, and asked, "Why is there no sound?" The prankster acted surprised and asked, "What's wrong?" Then, they took the headphones, put them on, moved their lips without making any sound, and said, "I can't hear it. It's working." The gamer was even more confused and asked, "Why are you just moving your mouth without making a sound?" The prankster replied, "Still not making any noise? I'm talking. Don't you get it? Are you deaf?" The gamer, still confused, asked, "Am I deaf?" But eventually just accepted it, saying, "As long as the headphones aren't broken, it's fine." Then he put the headphones back on and kept playing. This whole exchange had the prankster laughing so hard they almost spit out their drink. It was hilarious.